Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency and welcome to Makaveli Traders. My name is Bitcoin Gorilla. You can call me Triple Bitcoin Gorilla or MT. I started this trading academy out of my experience and out of the love for the people. In the crypto market, caution is very important. And as a beginner, you will want to understand not just the fundamentals, but also how to navigate the space by understanding the technical analysis. Now, in terms of risk management, we are going to actually break it down for you. Now, the empty Pandora's box fundamental analysis deals with breaking down the financial metrics of a coin, the on-chain metrics of the coin, and as well as the project metrics, so that you will be able to know coins that are scam coins, shit coins, coins that are going to pull a rug on you even before the rug is pulled. You know what to invest in and what not to invest in. Technical analysis, where we'll be taking you through price action and as well as breaking down so many fundamentals of all these indicators and how they are being created from price candlesticks close and open and time. With this, you will be able to understand why you need risk management. Combine your fundamental analysis with the technical analysis, and there, boom, you have what it takes to stand this market. The most important thing is mental analysis, being able to time, being able to know when to get in and when to get out, being able not to be greedy and control your emotions. These are all the things you're going to learn in this academy, in these 12 weeks of trading. We will teach you risk management, and that is how to know your risk tolerance. We will also take you step by step as we go through the practical with me every day trading during your practical time. With this, your hands are going to be strong enough to face the real market. Remember, I do not trade paper account. Your trading will be with a live account. But remember, I will be here to walk you through each step. In this academy, you're going to be able to learn how to trade cryptocurrency from all categories because we have different categories of trading. We have the futures, we have the spot, we have the margin, we have the options, and as well as we have the staking, the holders, right? So understanding what category of a trader you are is going to help you make even better choices. Welcome to Makaveli Traders once more, where nothing great has ever been achieved without danger. I remain Triple Bitcoin Gorilla. Thank you for watching.